This is the assembly video for the Euro-style WSC2430 wall straight corner cabinet. This cabinet comes in two boxes. UF contains all the panels and hardware for the cabinet body, and the other box contains the finished door. So UF contains the top and bottom panel, a back panel, the side panels, the second back panel, the shelves, hinges, and hardware box. The right back panel is 3/4 of an inch longer than the left back panel. Screw through the right back panel into the left back panel. Now place dowels into the top and bottom panels and install it as such. Screw through the one side panel into the bottom and top panel. Now place dowels into the top and bottom panels. Install the side panel and screw it to the top and bottom panel. Flip your cabinet onto the other back panel and screw to the top and bottom panel. Now install your other side panel and screw it as such. Now place your shelf pins at your desired height of your shelves and simply set your shelves at your desired height. Now retrieve your door from the other box. Install the hinges, screwing through the pre-drilled holes. Now it's time to install the door. The lip of the hinges rests on the edge of the cabinet's frame. And make sure your door is flush with the bottom of the frame. Secure the hinges using the screws provided. Remember, you can adjust your door positioning on the hinge itself. Now install the magnet for the door. Make sure the metal plate is sitting flush with the frame. Measure to the center of the screw holes of the plate as it sits on the magnet. Now mark your door with a pencil and pre-drill those holes. Do not drill through the door. Now attach the metal plate to the door. Don't forget to clean your cabinet, and we're done. One Euro-style WSC2430 wall straight corner cabinet ready for installation.